Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 9:43 AM CST Thursday, January 19, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall-Jackson DeKalb Moore Lincoln-Franklin TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 9:43 AM CST Thursday, January 19, 2023. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. CST this evening. Watt. West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Expected, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest, Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, wind, until 6 p.m. CST this evening, impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and